Hi there. Welcome to MCSI. My name is Emma. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can utilize Yara rules against a memory dump with Volatility. Have you wondered how an antivirus software works? An AV software has a database of known signatures and patterns observed in malware samples. When your computer is scanned, the antivirus software looks for any files or executables that contain strings previously seen in malware. If the software finds anything suspicious, that file or executable is quarantined, and you are notified. Typically, you would have to wait for the antivirus software vendor to update the database of known malware signatures. Now, consider a scenario where you are investigating a new strain of malware. You have been tasked with creating signatures to identify that malware on a computer. Are you wondering how you can create antivirus signatures and test them? This is where Yara rules come in handy. If you want a quick introduction to what Yara rules are all about, I invite you to read this article in our library. You will find the link to it in the description box below. You can utilize Yara rules in triage situations to quickly identify the presence of malware samples in a memory dump. If you are aware of a unique string, or keyword, or URL that can be attributed to a malware sample, you can utilize that unique value to write your own Yara rule and run the rule against the memory dump using Volatility. Volatility can identify whether the specific signature you are searching for is present within the memory dump. If it is present, Volatility can also identify the process it is associated with. You can then investigate that process. Now, I will demonstrate how you can utilize a custom Yara rule to search for a specific string within a memory dump. Here is the Yara rule. It is called String Search. The rule has 3 sections. The meta section has metadata about the rule. The strings section contains the string to be searched for, stored in a variable. Within the conditions section, only the name of the variable to search for is specified. This means the rule will search for the variable anywhere in the target memory dump. Now we will utilize this rule to search for the presence of this string in a Windows 7 memory dump using Volatility 3. The plugin we will utilize is Windows.vad Yara Scan. We will utilize the Yara file switch to indicate that the custom rule must be used. When I press enter, the scanning begins. The searching takes some time to complete. It appears that this string is present within the memory of a process with the ID 920. Here you can find the offset at which you can find the string within that process's memory. The hexadecimal representation of the string is displayed here. This plugin will display some output only if the string or value specified in the Yara rule is found within the memory dump. The rule we utilized was a very simple rule. Typically in the field, a single rule will have a number of strings and conditions specified. I will show you another way to look for a specific string using Yara. I will utilize the same Windows.vad Yara Scan plugin. I will copy this string. This time I will utilize the Yara rules switch and specify the string to search for within double quotes. Now we will perform the search. We can see the same output as before. If you want to search for a single string, then utilize the Yara rules switch. If you are writing a complex rule, then utilize the Yara file switch. Do you want to practice using Yara rules with Volatility? Here's what you can do. Utilize a Windows virtual machine for this task. Pick a malware sample from your malware dataset. Perform static analysis of the malware sample and identify some unique strings present in it. Write a Yara rule for the sample you have chosen. Now execute the malware sample on your VM. Acquire a memory dump of the VM. Use the Yara rule with Volatility. See if your rule can catch the malware sample in the memory dump. You can also perform the same task with Volatility too. Try it out. If you liked this video, please hit like and share this video on social media. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more videos like this one. Join our online community of students learning useful cybersecurity skills if you haven't already. To register for a free account right away, go to our website. Happy learning and see you soon!